Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch stream not starting so you can go live without frustration. First, check your internet connection and make sure your upload speed is stable because weak internet often stops streams from starting. Next, open your streaming software and confirm that your stream key is correct and hasn't changed. Go to Twitch settings, copy the stream key again, and paste it fresh into OBS or Streamlabs. After that, check your output settings and lower bit rate or resolution if your system struggles. Make sure your streaming software is fully updated to the latest version. Also, close unnecessary background apps that may overload your CPU or GPU. Finally, restart your computer and try going live again. These steps usually resolve stream start issues and get your Twitch broadcast running smoothly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.